from thought to reality. Have you ever stopped to think about how powerful your thoughts really are? We often hear people say, "Your thoughts shape your life." But what does that truly mean? Are we really the creators of our circumstances? Or are we merely reacting to the world around us? Let's pause and reflect. The situation you are in today didn't just appear by chance. It's the result of actions you took. Those actions were guided by decisions. Those decisions were shaped by beliefs, your internal image of the world and how it works. And those beliefs, they were born from experiences, perceptions, emotions, and reactions, many of which you may not even remember. You see, the external world doesn't affect us nearly as much as our response to it does. Science now shows that events themselves have only a small impact. What truly matters is how we interpret and react to those events. And this is where it gets fascinating. If we remain deeply connected to the outside world, constantly reacting, comparing, and seeking validation, we slowly lose ourselves. Our identity becomes tied to external conditions, to people's opinions, to what happens out there. Jack Canfield once said, "Whatever you identify with controls you." So ask yourself, are you identifying with a world of fear, competition, and limitation? Or are you aligning with something greater, something infinite, peaceful, and grounded in truth? Let's take an example. Mother Teresa lived and served among the poorest, sickest, and most neglected people on earth. And yet, she radiated peace. Her external world was full of suffering, but her inner world remained rooted in love and purpose. She didn't allow the outside world to define her reality. She projected her reality onto the world. This is the power of thought. When your thinking is aligned with your deeper purpose, you move from reaction to creation. But we must also recognize the role of life's mission, your soul's blueprint. Not all thoughts lead to manifestation. Only those that align with your life's true calling carry that power. When you feel joy, passion, and inspiration, it's a signal that your thoughts are aligned with your soul's direction. But when you feel fear, resistance, and conflict, it may be a sign you're moving away from that path. The key is this: your vibration is shaped by how you perceive the moment, not the moment itself. Even in the most painful situations, if you choose love, forgiveness, and grace, you rise above the duality of the world. And from that place, you gain access to a higher level of freedom and unshakable peace. So don't ask whether your thoughts are positive enough. Ask whether they reflect your deepest truth. Are they aligned with your purpose? When you shift your thoughts, you shift your energy. And when you shift your energy, the entire world begins to respond.